So today I'm going to be making a recipe using our smoked cod's roe called Taramasalata. It can be Turkish, it can be Greek, it can be whatever you want it to be, but I'm going to show you how to make it. So, the smoked cod's roe, it is cooked, but it's cold smoked. They do this at temperatures between 90 and 100 degrees, and it can be smoked for anything between 4 to 8 hours. So we're just going to split the two rows. And on the outside, you've almost got this membrane. So what I like to do is just peel this off like so. It can be a bit of a messy process. So you can just take a piece off like so. And just scrape out the actual roe itself. Just like that. So into the blender, we get our cod's roe. Like that. Lovely salmon-y flavour. Let's do 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a couple of garlic cloves, bam bam bam. Breadcrumbs. I've soaked these breadcrumbs in milk. Just adds that little extra moisture. So I'm not sure exactly how many I'll need, but they're going in like that anyway. A bit of salt and pepper. We're going to do a little dash of water. This is just going to help emulsify everything together. So emulsification is basically bringing 2 ingredients that don't necessarily like to be incorporated together. So to prevent it from splitting, we just add a little bit of water as the base. So we're going to whisk this up. And in goes the olive oil. And this is the consistency you're looking for.